Good day, everyone. For the past few years, I have always taken a strong positive review about the impact of technology in our culture. Everyone has fascination to computers and technology. We can seem to keep our faces out of our smartphone for even a minute or two. And I am made enough for smartphone, Android, and tablets that I am sharing for you right now. My app is developed in the interest of professional civil engineers, civil engineering students, and quantity surveyors work. The fundamental works of an engineer starts with the proper estimating of materials and equipment. Most structural engineers suffer from computing a lot of schedules and estimating. So, I think of a solution that will be beneficial to the young engineers of today. A packet estimator that comprises all the calculation involved in a construction project, allowing the end user to estimate quantifying materials and equipment needed to finish a construction project. The packet estimator focuses on calculating the quantity of common materials such as paints, tiles, and hollow blocks, which are used to transform a specific design concept into a complete, usable construction project, either horizontal or vertical facilities. A lot of people asking me how I made this possible. A lot of civil engineers asking me how this app will works. How does it calculate? How does it provide necessary estimates? Because for instance, civil engineers, surveyors, and contractors still using this traditional way of estimating materials. But what if I make an app that will make their work easier for them not to stick with the old way of computing a lot of estimates with their laptops and calculators? The app was made and programmed using Java, Python, and C++. They are all programming language. So, when the user opens the app, he will find the elements in the home screen. Each element is named in such a way it describes to what it refers. In the home screen, the user can find four buttons, namely the packet estimator, the basic, advanced, and the exit button, which will be useful for selecting elements from the drop-down and other links for various purposes. So let's look at the two features, the basic and the advanced elements. At first start off, the app works on the calculation of hollow blocks, paints, plastering works, and tile works. The second part of the innovation works on the calculation of structural elements such as concrete column, beams, slabs, and pipes. Simply select the type of the drop-down. Enter the values required. Once the required values are entered, the number of blocks will appear automatically. Civil engineers and surveyors should recognize this app as their tool for small home improvements and small construction projects. Every engineer, either working on site or at office, will be able to utilize the function of this app for calculating the values immediately and accurately based on the input. The values are obtained are purely based on the input values fed by the end user. This app will ease civil engineer's work as it helps him to get the necessary values in seconds. By utilizing the app, the end user will have the following benefits. 1. Creating estimates on the spot. 2. Speed up project estimation. 3. Win more proposals. 4. Improve customer satisfaction. 5. Increase efficiency. 6. Improve data accuracy. 7. It is useful in double-checking the estimated work of other engineers. 8. It provides assistance. And last but not the least, an alternative way of estimating in civil engineering field. Consider having to compete with only 15 apps about estimates in the entire App Store. The challenges for app marketers continue to grow, but with this app having the Philippines standardized structural code, the values you will obtain is abiding the provision in our country, and it is first in the Philippines to provide the parameters, the actual coefficient, and factors necessary to estimate the particular project. The user can access the app offline and can estimate unlimitedly, requiring only 3.4 MB on your phone storage. In future, more elements will be added to improve the app. Try it now. Just go to your app store, download the app for free. The tool you need is already in your packet. Useful, simple, reliable packet estimator. Thank you. This is Almira Dayugan. Have a good day, everyone.